Daniel, Tiger's Neighborhood.
And now I love making mosies with my Jodi. I love the special things I do with you, Jodi.
I love the special things I do with you, Nana.
And now we get to share our special recipe with you, Daniel.
Tiger-tastic!
Okay, let's wash our hands before we start.
Wash, wash, wash. Washing our hands. All washed, Nana.
Splendid. Our first step is to mush the bananas.
Oh, I'm a terrific banana musher. So mushy. Mush, mush.
Very nice, as mushy as can be. Now, my Jodi, let's show Daniel the way we add the ingredients and sing our mosey song. Chewy, chewy oats.
Chewy, chewy oats.
Honey that's sweet.
Honey that's sweet.
Bananas and coconut.
Bananas and coconut.
Stir it all together
Stir it all together
to make a mosey treat.
to make a mosey treat.
Let's sing it again.
Chewy, chewy oats. Honey that's sweet.
Bananas and coconut. Stir it all together
to make a mosey treat. I like your Nana's mosey song. Me too. I love the special things I do with you, Nana.
Oh, Jojo Bean. Now it's time to add the special ingredient, chocolate chips.
Yippee skippy! Chocolate chips! That's my favorite part.
Well, now, where are those chocolate chips? Not over here. Not over there. I can't find them anywhere.
Oh no! We always put chocolate chips in our mosies, Nana.
Oh, I know, Jojo Bean. But it's okay to make our mosies a different way this time. We could use dried cherries, or walnuts, or even raisins.
Ooh, those sound good.
Daniel, would you like to choose our new special ingredient?
Okay. Raisins. My grandpa and I always use raisins when we make muffins together. Ooh, yes, raisins are yummy.
Raisins it is. Grab a handful of raisins and sprinkle away.